All right, welcome back to Maintenance for Dummies. So, the call today is Lieutenant says that the microwave continues to beep, and it says keypad may be shorted, service is needed. So, in a situation like that, what you want to do is you want to take this off. So, it's two screws at the top, which I already took the screws out, but I just take those out, remove this. Let's see, there's another screw right here. You want to take that out, which I already did, and I already fixed the problem, but just going back showing you guys. And so what you see right here, this little strip right here, you want to squeeze the side of this white clip together. You take this strip out, wipe it down real good, put it back in. All right, so that did work. Microwave is now running. No longer getting that keypad is shorted display. No more beeping.